Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to recover a Proton Pass account in 2026. If you've forgotten your password, lost access to your account, or can't log in, this guide will help you restore access step by step. First, open the Proton Pass login page on your browser, desktop app, or mobile device. Next, click on the Forgot Password or Account Recovery option. Now enter the email address associated with your Proton Pass account. Next, check your email inbox for the recovery link or verification code from Proton. Now open the email and click on the secure recovery link provided. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. This may include entering a code or confirming your login attempt. Now create a new strong password that you have not used before. Next, confirm your new password and save the changes. Now log back into your Proton Pass account using your new credentials. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete the verification step using your Authenticator app or backup codes. Finally, make sure your account is working properly and all your Vault data is restored after login. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your Proton Pass account. You can now access your passwords and secure notes again safely. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.